Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can publish pages in your Notion workspace for them to go online, for example. It is very simple, so let us guide you through this step by step. Head over to Notion and log into your account. Select your workspace in the top left corner, so let me go with this one here. And here to the left panel under Team Spaces, you will see all your databases and pages, to-do lists, forms, and so on and so forth associated with your workspace. So let me go with that test page here for demonstration purposes. So it is actually very simple, guys, to make your page go online and to publish it online. Simply click on share here in the top right corner. But instead of sharing it internally, for example, with your workspace members here, for instance, by clicking into full access here and by selecting the accessibility, or by sharing it generally through a shareable link online, you may do that too by clicking on copy link here and give general access to it. Instead of doing that, guys, switch from share to publish here in the top right and click into publish here to publish your website to the web. Create a website with Notion, as you can see. So click into publish here, and that's basically it. After that, you will be given access to that URL of your published page here at the top. And you may also copy the link to that public page by clicking on this button here to the right. You may customize the site styling. You may enable the search engine indexing here to the right. You may duplicate as a template, for instance, if you'd like to use your page as a customizable template for future page projects. You may click on embed this page to get an embed link to embed your page on your website or online blog, and so on and so forth. And last but not least, you may also share it via social media by clicking on this button here. And that's basically it, guys. If you'd like to view your page online, simply click on view site here. That is going to redirect you to your page, as you can see here now under that URL here. And that's basically it. Now to unpublish it, guys, simply return to the previous menu, click on unpublish here, and that's it. That's how it works in practice, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.